Figure 8 shows a 500 N force acts on a stationary 25 kg box lying on a rough surface. After 4 seconds, the speed of the box is 2 ms minus 1. Calculate the frictional force on the box. So let's draw a free body diagram. This is the box. The force F is acting on here, and then the weight is acting downwards here. Let's label the force 500 N, and then the degree is 50 degrees. Where is the frictional force? It opposes the direction of the motion, so frictional force is acting towards the left. Frictional force Fk. In order to find this frictional force, we need to see the x component. So we need to find this F x component. Fx equals to 500 cos 50 degrees. And then you will get 321.3938 Newton. According to Newton's second law of motion, sum of x equals to ma. We have m but we don't have a. So let's see the question again. Stationary. So at first the box is stationary, which means the velocity is 0. So initial velocity is 0. Here it says after 4 seconds, so that 4 seconds is the time. The speed of the box is 2 ms minus 1. So this is the final velocity. We now have u, v, and t. U, v, and t. So we can find the acceleration, because acceleration equals to v minus u over t. V is 2, u is 0, and t is 4. So a equals to 1 over 2 ms minus 1. Let's find the sum of force. So the mass is 25 kg, acceleration is 1 over 2. So the force is 12.5 Newton. Let's build an equation according to this free body diagram. So the sum of force equals to Fx minus frictional force, because Fx acts here, but there is some frictional force opposing it. But it will go towards the right eventually, because this one is bigger, this one is bigger, this one is smaller. So you will get this equation. Sum of force equals to Fx component minus frictional force. Let's sub the sum of force inside here. So 12.5 equals to this one Fx component, 321.3938 minus frictional force, and then do some calculation. You will find frictional force equals to 308.8938 Newton, and that is the correct answer.
Okay guys, so now we will look at the second part of this question. Calculate the coefficient of kinetic friction between box and a rough surface. So we know that F equal to mu n. So mu equal to F over n. F actually the total of Fx. Well, n is actually the total of Fy. Okay, so mu equal to Fx, which is 500 cos 50 over 25 times 10, because we want the weight, plus with 500 sine 50. This is the Fy. Okay, so mu will be equal to 0.48796. So make it simple, into 2 decimal place we will find 2.49. So that's the answer for these questions.